Hello guys, so welcome to the video. So in today's video we are talking about the CEXP airdrop allocation. Now for starters, if you know you are not mining CEXP, then you are missing a lot, because CEXP is actually a trading app which is already live. They have been live for a while now, a long time ago, and they are actually trading and actually active. If you go to CoinMarketCap, CEXP is among the top 100 trading app, and actually the CEXP token is going to be the native token of the CEXP exchange. Now currently I am in the CEXP trading app. Now first of all, if you are actually mining the CEXP airdrop itself, you must have ensured that you linked your the Telegram account that you are mining the CEXP airdrop to your CEXP trading app. Now simply put, if you don't know how to do that, just ensure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video there is a playlist on how to mine the CEXP airdrop fully well at the end of this video. So if you are just seeing my channel for the first time, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Let me know where you are watching it from. If you have any question to ask me in the comment section, make sure you ask me. Just indicate where you are watching from with your country flag, drop a thank you in the comment section, just say something, let it be interactive, and I'll be there to discuss and engage with you. Now for the CEXP airdrop allocation. Now if you have actually connected your CEXP airdrop to the trading app, this is what is going to show you. Now this is what I'm having on my my screen. If you look at the middle face of my screen, we are still actually mining. So this is what I have now. I have about 919,759 CEXP token balance. So currently now I would say this is actually my allocation, but officially on the CEXP roadmap on Telegram, if you check the roadmap on Telegram, that is if you are mining it, if you just go to the roadmap, you will see they say at the Q4, which is within few months from now, they will be not few months, within few days from now, because I'm making this video in the month of October, and they will be calculating the airdrop in the Q4 of 2024, that is within October, November, and December, and at the same time they will be preparing for listing. So now with this CEXP balance, which is supposed to be the CEXP token, I would believe this is what the allocation actually is, because if you check your CEXP airdrop on Telegram, what you have on your middle screen is not the same as what you have here. Now if you go to your CEXP on Telegram, you see where they write this, where they wrote power tap. Now that power tap is the same thing that is as what is reflecting here. I will not be changing those interface from here to there, because I don't want to make this video extensively long. But for those that are actually farming CEXP, I believe you understand what I mean. But if you are not yet farming CEXP, it's not still too late. You still have some quite time to start farming it. So make sure you check the link in the description box. There is the link in the description box for you to start farming CEXP quickly and farm it properly by watching the video playlist that is going to pop up at the end of this video, so you can know how to farm it properly and farm it efficiently. Now once CEXP get listed, we'll be able to sell it on the trading app, because CEXP is a trading app itself. Now what you need to do if you want to even sell it once they are live is to just simply go to this trade option, which is located on my right, the trade icon. So if you tap on trade here, you are going to see different trading pairs. So if you tap on that trading pair, what we'll be doing then is to just swap the CEXP to USDT. And because CEXP do not offer P2P trading, at least for we that are in Nigeria, but maybe for other countries they offer P2P trading, what you just do here is that you just swap it to USDT and send it to maybe BitGet or Bybit, any trading app that offers P2P for you in your local currency, and you make use of it and you actually sell. So that's just basically it for the CEXP airdrop allocation. Like what I said again is that if you're actually farming the CEXP airdrop itself, you should be actually having a reflection of your CEXP balance. That is, they will be indicating to you so far so good how your mining that you are mining on the Telegram app what it's actually giving you on the CEXP trading app, because once they are done with calculating the airdrop and it is listed, this is where it will be displayed. Unlike other airdrops that will be making use of other exchanges for them to list and release their token, CEXP is different because they are a trading app itself. Once it gets launched and once it is listed, it will be available on the trading app itself. So just like what Binance has BNB, BitGet have BGB, Trust Wallet have TWT and other exchanges. So once it is listed, it will be on their trading app, and from their own options of trade, you'll be able to sell the token. Now I want you guys to note something. If you're actually mining CEXP, you have to ensure that you secure your account. Now if I just scroll down my screen, you will see where they see the profile icon. Now if I scroll the profile icon, you see there are different verification process. There is the verification stage 1, stage 2, and there is the stage 3. Now I'm currently at the stage 1, which I will be doing the stage 2 and stage 3 next. Those ones will not actually temper your airdrop allocation or whatsoever you are doing on the CEXP airdrop, but it will only just limit whatsoever you are doing on their exchange. Now if you see the level 1, they just told me that I can deposit my deposit and my withdrawals are minimum. Then the stage 2, what I just need to do is that they will increase my deposit and withdrawal option. So guys, make sure you go and do all these verification processes. If you don't know how to do them, ensure you let me know so that I'll make a video guide properly on how to do them, even as I do mine alongside, depending on when you are seeing this video. But make sure you indicate. And the most thing I'll have to have you guys notice that you have to do this: enable two-factor authentication. Now if you want to enable two-factor authentication, you just go to Google Play Store or for iOS and you download Google Authenticator. So once you download your Google Authenticator, you will just connect it to CEXP. Now they are going to give you a set phrase for Google Authenticator. Ensure that you write that set phrase on a book or somewhere safe. If you don't know how to do this two-factor authentication, just let me know, so I'll make another different video guide for that, because this is just an additional information. This video I'm just simply explaining what's the airdrop allocation. So if you don't know how to do two-factor authentication, let me know in the comment section. But I'm encouraging you to make sure you do two-factor authentication. It will enable your account to be secure. Nobody can temper with it, because you'll be the one to regulate and control whatsoever you do on the CEXP app. Please guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, you like and comment. Ensure you join my Telegram channel, because that's where I post a different form of airdrop that will be listing in the year 2024 and even 2025, because I post it on time on Telegram before I make tutorial videos here on YouTube. And likewise, subscribe to my YouTube channel now so you can stay updated and be consistent and seeing updates on time and you see it timely, guys. So like I said again, if you are farming it on Telegram, you are going to see this CEP balance as your where you see that crypto balance and mining power. Below it, you will just see power and CEP. The balance will be reflecting there. Now as you progress, it's going to be increasing. Now for me, I want to believe that this is actually what is going to be allocated to us, and definitely it's going to be a good and a fair allocation at the end of the day, and based on the listing price, which I believe they will be listing at, because for me, I believe CEXP listing price will not go below 0.2 zeros and 1 or 3 zeros and 1, but I am expecting them to be at least 0.01 or 0.001, or maybe even 2, 3, or 4, because it's their native token and they actually want it to do well, most importantly for the bull run and for their coin to have actual good value, because they're actually a trading app and they are generating a lot of income as people are trading on their platform. So I believe you guys should take your time and mine CEXP properly. Watch the video that is going to pop up on this screen at the end of this video. Watch it carefully. It's a full guide playlist on how to mine CEXP if you are not mining. And even if you are still mining, you ensure you watch it and check the playlist to know anything you are missing out or anything you want to learn about CEXP, so you can efficiently do it and meet up the eligibility criteria and everything. Everything is on the playlist. If you watch to the end, you will see the video popping up at the end of the screen, or you just go to my playlist option on my channel page. You see CEXP. Check down the playlist and ensure you watch it so you know how to farm CEXP properly, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Let me know where you're watching from. Drop a thank you in the comment section. Let's be interactive in the comment section. I'll be there to discuss with you guys and answer to whatever question you have in the comment section. Thank you for watching again. Once more, please subscribe now.